Welcome to the PharmaLinkage platform, your bridge to expanding your pharmaceutical manufacturing horizons. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding your API manufacturing facility to our platform. Step 1. Begin by logging into your PharmaLinkage platform account. Once logged in, navigate to your My Manufacturing facility. Step 2. If you are logged in for the first time and click on the My Manufacturing Facility menu, it will ask for a consent pop-up to communicate consent and data storing consent approval. Once you agree on the consent, you will see the list of manufacturing facilities if you have already added, along with an Add Facility button. Step 3. Clicking on the Add Facility button to start the process of adding your API manufacturing facility details. You can also upload the facility presentation file. Once all details are entered, click on the Next button to save your changes and redirect to the API facility section. Step 4. In Add API Facility section, add plant capacity and product details. Add plant and laboratory description. Add utilities details. And finish with photo gallery. In plant capacity and product details step, fill in the information. Once this information is saved, add product individually or using bulk upload feature, upload the list. To add a new API product, fill in the details. Click on Save button to add product and you can see this added product in the table below. You can also edit or delete the product from the action column. Edit and delete icons, click. In case the number of API products is more, you can choose the bulk upload option, where you can download a sample file and fill in the product information in a given format, and upload it. You can see the uploaded API products in the data grid section. Click on Next button. You will see the next section on Plant and Laboratory, where you fill in the plant and laboratory information. After saving this information, click on the Next button, and it will open a Utilities section. In this section, provide information on utilities. After saving this information, click on the Next button, and it will open a photo gallery section, where you can upload the API manufacturing facility photos here, which will showcase the facility area and infrastructure. Here you will see the list of all the manufacturing facilities added by you. Thank you for using the PharmaLinkage platform to showcase your API manufacturing prowess. Your profile will resonate with partners worldwide.